Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to rotate an image in Google Sheets but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to insert an image, rotate it smoothly, and get your spreadsheet looking just the way you want. Whether you're working on a presentation, a personal tracking sheet, or just want everything neat and visually aligned, this is a quick trick that will make your documents stand out. Alright, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document, the one you want to work on. Now, to insert and rotate an image, we don't add the image directly to a cell or onto the sheet as usual. Instead, we're going to use the drawing tool, so head up to the top menu bar and look for the word Insert. Click on it, and in the drop-down that appears, find and select Drawing. This will open up a new dialog box, kind of like a mini design space within Google Sheets, where you can add shapes, text, and of course, images. Once you're in the drawing window, take a look at the toolbar right at the top. You'll see several icons, but what you want is the little image icon. It looks like a tiny photo or a mountain inside a rectangle. Click on that. This allows you to pick an image from your computer, your drive, or even by URL. Pick the image you want to use and insert it into the drawing area. This step might take a moment, especially if your image is still uploading, so don't worry if there's a tiny delay. Now here, where the magic happens and the part a lot of people overlook. After your image appears in the drawing area, give it a single click to select it. You'll notice blue handles and points showing up around your image. At the very top of your selected image, you should see a small blue circle or dot. This is the rotation handle. It's basically like a pivot point, similar to what you might have used in other programs like PowerPoint or Google Slides. When you hover your mouse over this blue dot, your cursor should change into a little curved arrow. Click and hold on that blue dot, then gently drag with your mouse to rotate the image left or right. You can spin it upside down, tilt it just a bit, or turn it at whatever angle you like. Don't rush this part. Sometimes it takes a moment to get the angle just the way you want. If you're trying to match something else on your sheet, try to line them up visually or just eyeball it until it feels right. And the great thing is, if you rotate it too far or the wrong way, you can always grab the blue dot again and readjust. You have total control here. Once you're happy with how your image is rotated, look up in the right corner of the drawing window for the Save and Close button. Go ahead and click that. The drawing with your rotated image inside will now appear right on your spreadsheet where your cursor was. You can move it around or resize it further if needed. And that's it, pretty neat, right? Now, whenever you want a rotated image in your Google Sheet, just use the drawing tool and you'll always have this trick up your sleeve. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions down in the comments if you need more tips on images or spreadsheets, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.